for Central North Carolina this Thursday, November 13th, 2025. The briefing goes through next Wednesday, the 19th of November. First thing, right off the bat, I want to mention that we will no longer be issuing freeze warnings and frost advisories until the spring of 2026. Once we have a widespread freeze event, which we had on the morning of November 11th, that technically ends the growing season for Central North Carolina, and thus we pause issuing those warnings and advisories until the growing season resumes in the spring. So typically that's either late March or early April. So what do we have? Pretty quiet weather. Let me see if I can switch to this screen here. And you can see quite a bit of cloudiness as a result of the mountains. When the cirrus, or these high clouds you see moving across the Kentucky and Tennessee, hit the upslope, come across the mountains, they basically develop mid and high clouds. We call that orographic cirrus. So that's what's giving us our cloudiness. Otherwise, we've got dry weather basically in store for pretty much the entire briefing period. Look at that high pressure today, right through Saturday, right through Monday. There is a front that could slip through on Tuesday, so that'll be our next chance for rain. Otherwise, very low impact weather during this briefing period. Enjoy it. Temps will be a little bit above normal. Normal temps, normal highs are around 60. Normal lows are in the upper 30s. So we'll be running a little bit above that this briefing period, although to me 60s is chilly, but technically if we get into the mid 60s, that's above normal. Saturday and Sunday is going to be really nice with temperatures in the low to mid 70s, so well above normal Saturday and Sunday. Definitely enjoy that under sunny skies. Look at this. This tells the whole story. Dry today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 5-day totals dry. No flash flood threat, no thunderstorm concerns, no tropical cyclone activity. Remember, November 30th is the last day of the hurricane season. Given all that dry weather in store, unfortunately, this drought situation is probably not going to get much better. This is the latest analysis as of 2 days ago. So you could see the worst drought conditions are in the coastal plain of North Carolina along and east of I-95. All right, so looking down the road, further down the road, that is, let's see, I think this would take us to right before Thanksgiving. So above normal temperatures and odd slightly tilt toward above normal precipitation, particularly across the western 2/3 of the state. We'll see about that. I know it's obviously been dry. We can definitely use above normal precipitation. That certainly would be favorable. We'll just see how this all plays out. All right, looking at our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, it's pretty clear. Fire weather noted for today. It's a little dry and breezy. We don't have any, issues, in terms of products for fire weather out right now. But other than that, all those boxes are empty. So that's good news. That takes us to our summary. High pressure, dry weather expected through at least Monday. Next chance for rain Tuesday. Quiet, low impact weather this briefing period. Temps at or above normal this briefing period, and well above normal Saturday and Sunday. You can see that there in the graphic in that table on the right. We'll be hitting mid 70s in a lot of places across central North Carolina. No hazards and impactful weather, so enjoy it. And that's all I've got for this briefing here for this Thursday, the 13th of November for Central North Carolina.